warm waters in the Atlantic, weather in South Florida can be unpredictable. During the months of June through November, we often see a number of tropical disturbances and intense storms hitting our shores.
Many artists in the Basque collection utilize materials concerned with elements of nature, what we can control and what we can't. Haegue Yang references the global phenomenon of hurricanes and cyclones in her work, Coordinates of Speculative Solidarity, which originally premiered in her 2019 exhibition in the Cone of Uncertainty. Let's listen to local meteorologist Juan Morales discuss Yang's work in relation to what we're seeing today.
Your work to me conveys urgency because particularly the wallpaper as you go up, when you look at it, so the hurricane's coming basically up the stairs, and then there comes a point where you can see the ripples in the water over the landscape of South Florida. And of course, what that denotes to me is storm surge, but it also reminds me of our very real threat of sea level rise and how sea level rise is going to make storm surges deeper and go further inland than ever before. So the tie-in between, the climate crisis, talking about crises, and what's coming to South Florida is very real when you look at that piece upstairs. I think that's what comes to mind, that urgency of worsening consequences of hurricanes enhanced by sea level rise and global warming. And there's definitely impacts that we're feeling locally here in Miami having to do with what goes on as far as the North Pole. We can slow it down if we mitigate and we find a way to slow the accelerating temperatures on the planet, okay?
And that requires a kind of very holistic thinking in solidarity, no?
Absolutely.